Alright, welcome back again to my channel and let's continue Pictoblock tutorial. And today we are going to make a real-time face detection using Python language with Pictoblock. Yeah, like usual. Okay, to make it quick, just open Pictoblock. Okay, let's go. The default sprite is always Toby. So if you have some question, why Toby again and Toby again? Yes, that's the default sprite of Pictoblock. Look at the icon, Toby. But you can change the sprite what you want. So many sprite over here. So many category: animal, people, fantasy, dance, music. You can choose. Okay. Like I said before, we are going to make a face real time face detection. To make this, what we call it, application or game. What do you want? Yeah. We call it application. To make it this application, we need the important peripheral. We need camera, of course. So just prepare your camera. I have webcam, so we can make this application. Okay, let's continue to the script, and like usual, I already made the script. Yeah, this one. Okay, just copy and paste to Pictoblock. Okay, I will give the explanation about this script. Yeah, don't worry. The first one, FD face detection. It's mean define to begin face detection, to activate the camera, yeah, to initialization, to begin, to start, yeah, it's same. And for the next script, this one, video on, to open the camera, to turn on the video with zero transparency, and enable box, so the backdrop will open with the camera. All of the boundaries over here covered by the camera. And if this set threshold into 0.4 to set the threshold at 0.4. The main code right here, while true, it's mean the boolean syntax, true or false. While true, FD analyze camera, so camera will analyze our face. If FD count more than 0, sprite say FD expression. FD expression here is a library, so the sprite will say what the face expression you saw. When you show sad, Toby will say sad. When you happy, Toby say happy. And when you neutral, Toby will say neutral. When you surprise, Toby say surprise. Else, if there is no face, Toby will say no face detect. Okay, no face detected. Alright, let's start and run all. Okay, we will run it. And no paste detection, no paste detected. Okay. Okay. Let's see, neutral. Toby say neutral. Let's make another expression. Happy. Sad. Surprise. Oh, fear. That's fear, right? You see that? Fear. Oh, that is fear. Yeah, happy. Sad. Sad, natural, happy, angry, surprise. Okay, good job. It works. Thank you very much. Okay, I think that's all for today. That's correct. Just follow it. You can try at your home, and see you for the next tutorial. Bye bye. Happy.